Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2025 Kenworth Motorhome Sport ushers in a new age in which the modern luxury recreational vehicle's sophisticated comforts and cutting-edge technology effortlessly blend with the unwavering sturdiness and legendary dependability of a heavy-duty truck. This custom design seeks to change how people think about motorhomes by providing the most discerning adventurers with an unmatched combination of luxurious living and tough capability. The powerful chassis and engine of Kenworth's well-known commercial trucks are the foundation of the Kenworth Motorhome Sport. In terms of longevity, towing capability, and long-distance endurance, this foundation offers an inherent advantage. From smooth highways to gravel backroads, the sturdy frame, designed to endure millions of miles of hard use, translates straight into a motorhome that can confidently traverse a variety of terrains with remarkable stability and no chassis flex. This mobile fortress would probably be powered by a high-performance Cummins X-Series engine, which is known for its incredible torque and fuel efficiency and guarantees smooth climbs and continuous driving even while carrying heavy loads. A key component of luxury travel, the sophisticated air suspension system, a mainstay of Kenworth trucks, would be fine-tuned to provide an exceptionally smooth and compliant ride, absorbing road irregularities and shielding passengers from startling movements. The outer appearance of the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome Sport would be a subtle progression, even while the foundations speak to its industrial strength. Beyond just being functional, it would probably have streamlined, aerodynamic lines that would improve fuel efficiency and lower drag without sacrificing its dominating appearance. A sophisticated look would be enhanced by specially made body panels, perhaps made of strong yet lightweight composites. In addition to providing expansive views, large, flush-mounted windows would blend in perfectly with the overall style. Its preparedness for any expedition would be highlighted by thoughtful exterior features like roomy, convenient storage compartments, strong utility hookups, and maybe even an integrated, powerful recovery winch. The modern luxury side of the Kenworth Motorhome Sport really comes to life as you get inside. The interior would be a showcase for exquisite domestic design and custom craftsmanship. There would be an abundance of high-end materials, such as designer fixtures, hand-stitched leather couches, exotic hardwood floors, and handmade cabinetry with soft-close mechanisms. The design would put an emphasis on functionality and space, frequently including several slide-outs to increase living areas when parked. Culinary fans would be satisfied with a gourmet kitchen furnished with top-notch appliances, solid surface worktops, and plenty of prep space. With a cozy king-size bed, ample closet space, and an en-suite bathroom with a full-size shower and upscale fixtures, the master suite would provide a peaceful haven. The Kenworth Motorhome Sport would be at the forefront of technology. With user-friendly interfaces, integrated smart home automation systems would regulate the lighting, temperature, entertainment, and security. Strong Wi-Fi capabilities, satellite connectivity, and sophisticated multimedia systems would guarantee that residents are amused and connected at all times. Advanced cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and full 360-degree camera systems are examples of driver support technology that were taken from Kenworth's commercial offerings and would improve safety and lessen driver fatigue on lengthy trips. A truly mobile sanctuary, this RV is made for people who expect the best possible balance of dependable performance and unwavering elegance.